Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maulidiasnya Akbar. I am from TBIC. Right now, I will explain you about communicative language teaching. Learning a new language is easier and more enjoyable when it is truly meaningful. Communicative language teaching, or CLT, is an approach to the teaching of second and foreign language that emphasizes interaction as both the means and the ultimate goal of learning a language. It is also referred to as communicative approach to the teaching of foreign language or simply the communicative approach. An effective knowledge of language is more than merely knowing vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Learners need to be able to use the language appropriately in any social context. The term communicative language teaching or CLT means different things to different teachers. To some teachers, it simply means greater emphasis of the use of the target language in the classroom and in particular a greater emphasis on orality. To other teachers, communication entails the exchange of unknown information between interlocutors, and finally, some teachers understand communication in the most global anthropological terms, that is a cultural bond system for making meaning. Despite their various definitions of CLT, all the module instructors seems to advocate from communicative approach. And then principle of the communicative approach. One is language. Learning is learning to communicate using the target language. 2. The language used to communicate must be appropriate to the situation, the roles of the speakers, the setting, and the register. The learner needs to differentiate between a formal and informal style. 3. Communicative activities are essential. Activities should be present in a situation or context and have a communicative purpose. 4. Learners must have constant interaction with and exposure to the target language. 5. The development of the four macro skills, speaking, listening, reading, and writing, is integrated from the beginning. Science communication integrates the different skills. 6. The topics are selected and graded regarding age, needs, level, and the student interest. 7. Motivation is central. Teachers should raise student interest from the beginning of the lesson. 8. The role of the teacher is that a guide and facilitator or an instructor. 9. Trial and error is considered part of the learning process. And 10. Evaluation concerns not only the learner's accuracy but also their fluency. And then the basic characteristic. 1 is learning to communicate through interaction. 2. The introduction of authentic text into the learning situation. 3. Learners focus on language and the learning process itself. 4. An enhancement of the learner's own personal experience. 5. Linking classroom language learning with language activities. The communicative approach is concerned with the unique individual needs of each learner. By making the language relevant to the world rather than the classroom, learners acquire the desired skills rapidly and agreeably. CLT is the most effective way to teach second and foreign language. However, audiolingual methodology is still prevalent in many textbooks and teaching materials. And then using the method. The most common educational model applied to the context of the communicative method is the functional national approach, which emphasizes the organization of the syllabus. This breaks down the use of language into 5 functional categories that can be more easily analyzed. First, personal. 2, interpersonal. 3, directive. 4, referential. And 5, imaginative. These 5 broad functions are then delivered by the teachers in the classroom using 3 models, which stand for presentation, practice, and production. And then the role of the teacher. The role of the teacher is to be facilitator of his students' learning. He suggests the language teacher need to assist learners by providing them with frameworks, patterns, and rules to develop their communicative language skill. And that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.